Wake up. Princess Giza. Wake up. It's time to conquer the day. Princess Giza? Okay, she's not waking up. Good morning, my people. I am here and ready to conquer the day. It is a beautiful morning. Anyway, guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, and we are always smiling. We just got up. Well, I just got up. Judah's up, but she's, you know, still trying to shake sleep off and stuff. It's now like about 8:40 at the moment. Let me tell you about my sleep. Like, it was very comforting, especially hearing all, like, you know, even now you're still hearing parts of nature at the moment. I was a little bit cold because we had the fan stuck on us and none of us wanted to get up to turn the fan off, but it was really good. Of course, I'll be hoping for a little bit more sunshine and stuff, but we are in the rainy season now. It's in October, so it's gonna be, you know, full of that. To show you guys just a little bit more, you know, how this property is set up. Of course, out here you got your you got hammocks, but of course it's been raining, so it's a bit wet. But you got hammocks just outside of the place that you can go to. I need to go brush my, oh, there's another one over there too. So yeah, and I think that one is a tree. You got some tree house ones. One is there, one is there. Yo, you can hear the beach. I just want to show you guys, like, a communal setting of the bathroom. Matter of fact, I need to go use the bathroom too. Brush my teeth and get myself ready. So, these are the bathrooms. You know, decorated with bamboo. No, built with bamboo, sorry. Bamboo and wood. Here you got the rustic looking type of setup here. You got your nice mirrors. You can sit, brush your teeth or whatever you want to do. And then of course you got the waste bins, but it has a nice touch with that there. And then of course, you know, you got your paper towel hanging up. It's pretty awesome. And then you got outside here as well. Show you guys really quick. Another communal section where you can just, you know, wash your face, brush your teeth, whatever it is. You got that there and you got that there. So this is another one here as well. You feel me? But yeah. Oh, there's more. There's another communal section for the bathroom somewhere over here. Yeah. So I like that. I like that. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I need to go wash my face and stuff. But I think that's a very important element, you know, of this place, because as a society, we've become so individualistic. You know, everything that we've had, or everything that we have right now, it can be for just an individual only. What am I trying to say? You know, back in the day, you didn't even have headphones really. Like, people would walk around with boom boxes and, you know, the music was for everybody. You know, you could listen to person's music and stuff. Now, everyone has their own headphones, everyone has their own phone, everyone has their own bathroom. You know, even in marriages and stuff, people have their his and her bathrooms and stuff. So, yeah, we've been pretty much individuals. So, communal setting is pretty good. I'll show you guys one of the huts. One of the tree huts. That's one there. I'm gonna be a bit quiet because I don't know if people is you know, still awake or what. But check this out, guys. Yo, you have a nice little trail walk going all the way out. Check it, man. All the way out to the sea, fam. What? What? Woo! No, yo, you tell me, man. You guys tell me. Huh? Huh? What you feeling, man? What you feeling now, looking at this place? What you feeling? Huh? Yo, Yo. This is the kind of life that I like, man. You know what I'm saying? Just... I'm getting goosebumps. Not from the chills of outside only, but like... It's... Damn, man. You know, it's one of the best feelings when you see somewhere. Because I remembered seeing this place online and I was like, yo, I want to go here, and coming here and actually experiencing it. Now I can imagine for you guys, because some people have messaged me, they said they've gone to the street food thing, that video that I did, and they're like, yo, they love the food. When I go to Baee, people are like, yo, they go there and they love the place. So I know a lot of you are going to be coming here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have to go get my other camera, because this one, I don't think the zoom is as good, to show you guys all the way down there. Oh, I can tell you this, on the vlog, the places look beautiful, but coming here for yourself, yo, just looking at even this part here, it is such an immense piece of structure. It's so huge. I can't even explain it anymore. And then, boy, you got some fishermen somewhere over there. You ain't gonna see them with this camera. It's pretty awesome. I think this is what they call the snake walk, because it's like an S. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna make this as a vlog itself before I start off today's vlog. Just a quick tour of the place, really, and I'll do another one, but check it. Snake walk. And of course right there, I don't think you want to mess with that, because like those are like really jagged. Let's take you guys closer to see. See, it's pretty sharp. And it's pretty sharp, but yeah. We're gonna be doing that whole S-walk thing later on today. You feel me? Yeah, I know it's a bit windy right now. If I had the other camera, it wouldn't be hearing so much wind, but I don't mind you hearing the wind at the moment, because it's also a part of the experience to know, you know, how much wind is actually out here, as opposed to not hearing anything. You feel me? Yeah. I think there's more to the places out there and stuff. I'm definitely coming back here, guys. There's no doubt about it. I think I might come back here, like, let's say sometime next year, especially when the weather is a lot, you know, it's not in the rainy season, so I can get more sun. But this is my speed of place and stuff. You feel me? Judah was talking about they don't have hot water, but this is a solar water heater. Huh, I should ask about that. So I think every hut has their hammock. And check this out, look at this artwork around the tree. There's a snake carved into the tree, or whatever it is. Is this a tree? No, this is actually stone. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Okay. It's pretty awesome, guys. You can just hear the birds, check out the flora, fauna. Whew. I'm sure there's more here to see. I'm gonna go inside real quick, grab my stuff, and then take you off to the real adventure. But I just wanted to walk you guys around really quickly, you know, show you what's up. Babe? Judah? Okay, she's gone. She's probably gonna brush her teeth or whatever. Over there is kind of meshed off. I don't know if it's like if it was meant to be like an aviary place for birds or whatever. I don't know if I said the right vocabulary word. Is it aviary? I believe so. You guys, I gotta be a little bit quiet because it's early in the morning. I don't know. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! It is an aviary. Look at the birds. Hello, Philippa. So that one I know is a parrot. I don't know what kind of parrot. The next one, oh gosh, because I always wanted a parrot. You guys know, for those who've been watching my vlogs, you guys know I have a bird. That bird doesn't like me, and I don't like that bird really much. Sorry to not sound like I'm not an animal fan, but that bird really he just eats. He doesn't like, when I come to the his cage, it hisses at me and whatever, so I just feed him and that's it. Feed him, clean his cage, give him water, that's it. You know, but I like these kind of birds because they're very interactive. Like him. See, he's coming down. He probably want to talk or something. Hey bud, how are you? How are you? What's your name? This is the part where I gotta be careful, because if he talks, I'ma flip. Huh? Hey bud, how are you? Hey, how are you? Want me to rub your beak? Oh, want me to rub your beak? I gotta be careful because those beaks are pretty sharp. Yeah, I'm gonna ask him if he's like petable. Well, normally parrots like their beaks to be, you know, rubbed for some strange reason, but he looks friendly. I think he's called a sunset whatever, because once I saw him in a pet shop for like, not him, but like another one for like $25,000 I think, which wasn't so bad. But my only issue was at that time I was not good with birds. Like every bird I had died, but this bird that I got at home though, I've had him for like about 2 years now, so I think I'm confident enough to keep them. But anyway, he's beautiful. Hey. You see how these birds came down and started messing with me? My bird, nah. He'd be like, but anyway, that's enough for my little short tour off this place. I'll kick it to the next vlog where my face is all brushed. Yeah, I'm gonna brush my face. I'm gonna wash my teeth. And I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and all. Remember, man, keep the link.